Hello everyone. Do you know the Windows key on your keyboard can perform several functions more than you can imagine? To most computer users, the only use of the Windows key on the keyboard is to open up the Start menu. So when you press on the Windows key on the keyboard, it opens up the Start menu on your computer. And that is the common use of the Windows key on the keyboard that most people know when using the computer. But the Windows key can be used in together with other key combinations to perform several functions on your computer. So in this video, we're going to explore about 10 different use of the Windows key aside it's being used to open up the Start menu. So the first one, when you press the Windows key on your keyboard plus dot, that is the full stop, that opens up the emoji menu. And this emoji menu can be used whatever you want to do typing. So if you are typing a message somewhere, you are typing any other something in any document, you can use any of these emojis whatever you want to apply. So when you press the Windows key plus dot on your keyboard, that opens up the emoji menu on your computer for you to be able to use them when you want to apply them. The next is when you press the Windows key on your keyboard plus H. That opens up the voice recording menu. And this voice recording menu is used to record the voice that you are saying. So if you want to, let's say, record the voice, if you are typing and the voice or the message is too much for you, you can just open up the voice recording menu by pressing the Windows key on the keyboard plus H. And this is going to record every voice that you are going to say and translate it in a word form for you to be able to use it, whatever you want to apply it. Next, if you want to open the File Explorer, press the Windows key on the keyboard plus E. Now, Windows key plus E is the quickest way of opening the File Explorer on your computer. That is if you want to just, without going to the taskbar to open the File Explorer, just press the Windows key on the keyboard plus E. That is the easiest way of opening the File Explorer on your keyboard. The fourth use is when you press the Windows key, if you have several tabs, let's say opened on your computer like this, let's say I have about 3 different tabs and I want to minimize these tabs. Most people go by just clicking on the minimize button on the button toolbar, but in short, you can just press the Windows key on the keyboard plus D, and that is going to minimize the open tabs that has been opened on the keyboard. If you press the Windows key plus D again, it will bring it again. If you press it again, it's going to minimize it. So that's the use of Windows key on your keyboard. The next use of the Windows key is if you press the Windows key on your keyboard plus Shift plus S. That is Windows key plus Shift plus S. That gives you the voice recording menu. That is the video recording, voice recording menu on your computer. So here you can use this particular button to either take screenshot on your computer. That is what the sniping tool. It can be used to take screenshot of your computer, or it can be used to record the computer screen. So if I want to record a particular region on my computer screen, if I press the Windows key plus Shift plus S, that combination gives me this particular menu for me to be able to use to take the voice recording that I want, or even the screenshot that you want to perform on your computer. Once again, when you press the Windows key on the keyboard plus G, that is the Windows key plus G combination on your keyboard, that gives you the gaming menu. So the gaming menu here is the one that is used to test for the performance of your computer. So it can be used to test for how your computer is performing for the past days, or for the particular day that you started using. That is the performance of the computer. So when you press the Windows key plus G, that gives you the gaming tab and also the PC performance menu. Next, when you press the Windows key on the keyboard plus I, so Windows plus I on the keyboard, that opens up the settings on your keyboard. So here, instead of you going to the start menu to search for the settings icon and click on this, you can just press the Windows key plus I, and that combination opens the settings for you to be able to search for whatever you want to do in the settings on your computer. The next, if you press the Windows key plus R, that opens the run menu. We call this one the run menu, which can be used to search for any folder in the File Explorer. So the run menu is used to run or search for any folder in the file. So let's say I want to search for temporary icons in my computer. If I just press the Windows plus R, the run menu, and I press, let's say I type in temp. So temp here, this one opens the temp folder on my computer that is inside the File Explorer. inside the File Explorer. So you can just use the Windows plus R combination to open the run menu so that you can use to search for any folder that is hidden in the File Explorer. The next, if you press the Windows key plus X, look at this, it gives you several options here that you can use to access several applications, or let's say hidden places within the computer. So you can get a run menu. Also here you can get the installed app, you can get the mobility, you can have the power options, you can get the systems, you can have the device manager, you can have the disk management, the computer management. These ones can easily be accessed when you press the Windows key on the keyboard plus X. All these options come in, or you can even just press the Windows plus X. You can see the shutdown option here that you can shut down the computer using the Windows plus X. Then you just click on the shutdown so that the computer will shut down. So that's the other combination, that's Windows plus X, that gives you this combination for you to be able to just access your particular option you want to perform on the computer so quick and so easy. Lastly, if you have several applications installed on your taskbar, so in that order, the Microsoft tab here is the first one. Microsoft Edge is the first application. The next one, the File Explorer, the second one. The Microsoft Store is the third one. So this one is the first, that is the second, and this is the third one. There is an easier way of opening this one based on how they are arranged. So basically, the Microsoft Edge is the first. So if I want to open this one without clicking on it with the mouse icon, I can just press the Windows key on the keyboard +1, and that opens the first app that is being installed, or that is installed on the taskbar. If I want to open the File Explorer, I can press the Windows key +2, and that too opens the File Explorer, which is the second icon or second application which is hidden on my computer. I can open the third one by pressing the Windows +3, and that opens the Microsoft Store, which is the third one which is found on my computer, so on my taskbar. So based on how these apps are being arranged, you can just use the Windows combination to open them so that you can easily access them without moving your. Sometimes if it happens that maybe your mouse is having an issue, your touchpad is having an issue, then you can't access it. You can just use these combinations to open all the applications that you have arranged on your taskbar so easily and so quick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch so you can receive every update from this channel. Thank you.